Hey everyone, welcome back to English Made Easy.
Hi guys, this is Bella.
And I'm Nico. Thanks for hanging out with us today.
All right, first of all, why do you look so happy today?
What? I'm just in a good mood.
No, this is suspicious. This is I have a crush on someone energy. What's going on?
Okay, fine. Yes, I have a crush on someone, and actually, we're kind of together now.
Wait, what? You have a crush on someone and now you're already together? All right, start from the beginning.
So, there's this person at my gym. For months, I had a crush on her. We never really talked. We just smiled at each other and looked away.
Just the smile, panic, look at your phone level. Classic.
Exactly. And every time she walked past me, I felt super awkward.
Of course, when you have a crush on someone, even hi feels like an exam.
My brain just shut down. I wanted to say something, but I kept pretending to check my playlist, even when the music was already playing. That kind of awkward.
I can see it. So what changed?
One day, I thought, okay, you can't do this forever. You have to shoot your shot.
So how did you shoot your shot?
After class, I waited near the exit. My heart was racing, my hands were sweaty, it was painfully awkward. And I said, hey, we always see each other here. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
That's actually really smooth.
It did not feel smooth, but she smiled and said, yeah, I'd like that.
Okay, so you shot your shot, then what?
We went for coffee. We started talking, and we really hit it off.
Like instant connection.
Yeah, no silence, no weird pauses. We went from hi to talking about childhood, travel, everything. It felt easy. We just hit it off from the first 15 minutes.
So from have a crush on someone, feeling awkward, deciding to shoot your shot, and then you two really hit it off.
And now we're seeing each other. It still feels a little unreal.
I'm happy for you and a tiny bit jealous.
Okay, my love story is out. What about you? Last time you said things with your partner felt different.
Yeah, we didn't break up, but we started to drift apart.
Like less talking, less laughing.
Exactly. In the beginning, we really hit it off. We talked all night, sent 1,000 messages, couldn't wait to see each other.
And
Then life happened. Work, stress, phones, late nights. We still lived together, but we weren't really talking. Dinner was just two people scrolling. We weren't fighting, but we were slowly drifting apart.
that kind of silence is scary.
Yeah, when you drift apart, there's no big explosion. It's just distance. One day I looked at him and thought, we used to have a crush on each other. Now we feel like polite roommates.
So what did you do?
I decided to shoot my shot again, but this time inside the relationship.
Okay, I like that. What does that look like?
I asked him, can we talk tonight? And I said, I feel like we're starting to drift apart, and I don't want that. I miss us.
That must have been so awkward at first.
It was. Saying I miss you to someone who sleeps next to you is heavy. But after a few minutes, we were both honest. We both felt the same.
And did it change things?
Yeah, we made small rules. Phones away at dinner, one walk together every week, one stupid meme to send each other every day, little things. Slowly, we stopped drifting. We're not perfect, but we're close again.
So, in your story, you didn't just drift apart and disappear, you used that feeling as a wake-up call.
Exactly. Sometimes you shoot your shot not with the new person, but with the person you already love.
I like how our stories are like two sides of the same coin.
Yours is the beginning of love. You have a crush on someone, everything is awkward, you finally shoot your shot, and you two hit it off.
And yours is what happens later. You hit it off at first, then you start to drift apart, and you shoot your shot again to bring the relationship back to life.
Before we finish, let's sit with these phrases for a moment.
First, have a crush on someone. That feeling when your heart notices a person before your brain does. You think about them, you check your phone, you replay every smile.
Second, awkward. That moment when you want to be cool, but your mouth says hi and your mind screams, run. Your hands don't know where to go, your words don't know how to start.
Third, shoot your shot, like throwing a ball at the basket. Maybe you miss, maybe you score, but at least you throw, you send the message, you ask the question, you try.
Fourth, hit it off. When a conversation feels like pressing play on your favorite song. From the first minute, it just flows. You don't have to push it.
And finally, drift apart, like two small boats that were tied together, and slowly the rope gets longer. You still see each other, but you're not close like before, unless you pull the rope again.
Now we're curious about your stories.
Have you ever had a crush on someone and felt really awkward around them?
Did you ever shoot your shot? Did it go well or not so well?
And have you ever hit it off with someone on the first meeting or felt yourself drift apart from someone over time?
If you like, you can write your answer in the comments or tap the microphone on your phone, speak slowly, and send your story. Try to use one or two of today's phrases.
And if you kind of have a crush on learning English with us, you can click on the next episode showing on the screen right now.
Just curl up with your headphones, let the next episode play, and hit it off with a little more English in your day.
Thanks for listening and practicing with us today.
See you on the next episode. Bye for now.